Hi.
He's the only one that's not eating. That one.
Let me try again.
Okay. That one over there.
The black one?
Uh-huh. He won't eat.
Come here. Come here, little guy. Hi.
Now he will.
You want it? That's not for you. That's not for you. It's for him. It's for him. No. Stop it. It's not for you. It's not for you guys. Come here.
He don't want to.
He's getting bullied.
Yeah.
Here, baby. It's for you. I don't think he likes it.
Try. Go over on the other side.
Mom, I'm fat as fuck. I can't get over there.
I dropped one. I don't know what happened to it.
Yes.
He'll grab it and eat it like a heartbeat.
He's so cute, this little baby one. I think that one's just shy. Say hi. Hi, baby. Baby. Hey, baby.
Yeah, they like sucking on the finger.
You're too old for that. They're so cute. I'm gonna bite my finger off being cute. Being adorable. I just wanted to take it inside and cuddle with them.
Oh, they got teeth.
Yeah, they've got teeth. They're animals.
I want another one.
Boop, boop, boop.